Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to create signature in Gmail. Friends, if you have created a signature in Gmail, then it will automatically appear in the end whenever you start composing a new email. So to create signature in Gmail, you simply need to open Gmail account in web browser. Now in your Gmail account, you need to click on this gear icon. Here you need to click on see all settings. In settings, under general, you need to scroll it little down. Now here you will find signature. Click on create new. Now give a name to your signature. I am giving name signature 1. After giving name, click on create. Now start making your signature. In company name, you can link your site address also. So select the company name. After selecting company name, click on link icon and here enter your website URL. After entering URL, click on OK. Now you can enter your contact number. Here you can also share your Facebook and Twitter details, like you can write Twitter and Facebook. You can link your Facebook and Twitter account here by selecting Twitter. After selecting Twitter, click on link icon and here you can provide URL of your Twitter account. After entering URL, click on OK. Like this, you can select Facebook and click on the link icon and provide your Facebook URL. After entering URL, click on OK. Now like this, you can play around and create a signature for your Gmail account. After completing your signature, you simply need to add it for new emails. Select your signature name and scroll it little down and click on save changes. Now friends, we have successfully created signature in Gmail. Now we will compose an email and see how it look like. Now friends, like this it will appear in the bottom of every new email. So friends, like this you can very easily create a signature in Gmail. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.